Hi, this is Dr. Lau. I think one of the most hated problems that my patients has asked me about is the cellulite on the thighs and the buttock. And the problem is more than 80% of the women after puberty, some say 90%, will have some form of cellulite on the thighs and buttock and abdomen. So it's very frustrating to treat. There's so many options available, but do they work? So there's so many offerings such as RF, acoustic wave therapy, lymphatic drainage, topical agents, surgery, or combinations. So how do I choose? So let me be your guide as we talk through how we can treat cellulite. I am a cosmetic surgeon, but also I was a physicist and chemist before I went to medical school. So I'm involved in research quite a bit in the technology field and beauty tech devices. Also a cosmetic chemist. You can see me as a nerdy graduate student at the University of Washington years ago. I'm still a clinical faculty at the University of Washington and a visiting scholar in the Department of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science at University of California, Irvine. I use a lot of devices. I'm one of the first ones using laser in Pacific Northwest in surgery. I developed focused ultrasound devices for cosmetic and surgical applications. I'm also a cosmetic chemist. So I think I can offer you some advice on the various aspects of how to treat cellulite. So I guess the first thing to figure out how to treat the cellulite is wonder why we have cellulite, right? So you're not alone. 80% plus people, women after puberty will have cellulite, whether you're young or old, thin or heavy. I think genetics plays a very important role. So basically you can summarize it by saying it's caused by localized fat pocket that bulges under the skin, causing the bumpiness. And female skins tend to be thinner, and they tend to show the deep structure of the fat, in this case, more. And this fibrous band actually pull the skin down in certain spots, causing dimples, make the cellulite even more obvious. And also the hated orange peel appearance is caused by local vascular and lymphatic drainage problem, circulation problem, and causing inflammation. So all those contribute to appearance of cellulite that we all have problem dealing with. So how do we treat cellulite? How to get rid of it? I think that the best thing to do is aim at specific cause of cellulite one by one and try to eliminate as many of the causes as possible. For example, the localized fat deposit that's causing bulging under the skin. Well, you reduce the size of those fat deposits, and that will flatten it out. For female skin being too thin, you can thicken and strengthen the skin structure, then the cellulite won't be that obvious. For fibrous band that pulls it down, causing dimples, but if they disrupt the fibrous band, that will get rid of the pulling down the dimple, therefore. And also for the local circulation problem causing the orange peel appearance, if we can improve the lymphatic and vascular drainage and improve the local inflammatory change, that will help a lot. So how do we reduce this localized fat deposit size and thicken and strengthen the skin? One system that we use is called VelaShape 3 system or VelaSmooth. How it works is to combine radio frequency, the electric energy with infrared light, which is heat energy, and vacuum mechanical massage action to cause deep heating of the fat cells in the fat pocket to decrease its size. And also it would stimulate the growth of new collagen and elastin of the skin because of the action that I'll describe. And then it will make the skin less lax and improve the skin texture and thus reduce the appearance of cellulite. So does it work, VelaShape 3? Well, this is an example of a patient. By using the VelaShape system after 3 sessions, you can see the localized contour have decreased quite a bit because we decrease the size of fat deposit. The skin appear to thicken, so both the stretch mark and the wrinkles are less obvious because it elastin collagen production, and it tighten the skin tissue, make the cellulite less obvious. Another way to decrease the localized fat deposit, but more importantly, to disrupt the fibrous band that causes the skin dimpling by pulling it down, we have a system called CelluPlulse system. Basically, it's a shock wave therapy, sound wave. It can go deep in the tissue. How it was discovered was it was used in by the German Olympic team to treat deep muscle soreness, and you notice the cellulite decreased in those athletes. So this is being used for cellulite treatment. What it does, it would disrupt the fat cells because of sound wave, shock wave, decrease the fat pocket size, actually disrupt the fibrous band so that were causing pulling the skin down to decrease the dimple appearance. Actually also improve lymphatic drainage and local metabolism. That's how we use for athletic treatment. And also we stimulate collagen growth, elastin growth of the skin structure. A very effective system as well. So that's some example of CelluPlulse. Basically what it does is a sound pulse wave, decrease the size of fat deposits, disrupt the fibrous band, decrease the dimpling, and rejuvenate and thicken the skin. You can see the patient before and after treatment using CelluPlulse. It's quite dramatic actually. So we talk about the orange peel appearance because of lymphatic vascular drainage and local inflammation. How do we treat that? Well, there's a celebrity type of system called BalancePro they use in Hollywood. You can see some of the coverage on TV and magazine. Basically, what it does is, after many years of research, they figure out lymphatic drainage really help that to treat the patient. You massage the lymphatic, that will improve the circulation lymphatic drainage and decrease the local inflammation. Basically, it comprises of an inflatable jacket and pants that apply pressure to massage those fluid out and the vascular massage as well. So almost like massaging to drain things with 10 hands at one time. It really helps to decrease the appearance of cellulite. Also is a great hack, a great trick. So basically, use the BalancePro system. You can lose a few pounds of water weight and a few inches on a temporary basis, just for a few days. So if you want to go attend a dinner dance or Academy Award for some of the people that use in Hollywood, using BalancePro, you look great, even for a few days, that's worth it. How about chemicals, topical agent? There's so many out there for cellulite cream. Being a chemist, I can tell you what works. There's only two things to group a chemical that we know works through scientific research. The first one is methylxanthines, basically caffeine type of chemical, coffee, tea, coca. What it does is it stimulates the fat to break down the lipolysis. It will shrink the fat cells, and by doing so, of course, you have less fat cell size, it'll be more flat. And then the second group is called retinoids, like retinol, as a vitamin A family. What it does is actually work on the skin to increase the thickness, rejuvenate it, increase local blood flow. Those are two things that we know that works well. So when you're looking for topical agent, make sure you have the two ingredients. There are a lot of stuff, botanicals, people claim works, but there's no scientific evidence they work. So the two that we mentioned here, methylxanthines and retinoids, are the ones you look for. So we have talked about the rarest options available to treat cellulite. As I said, you have to use multiple treatment modality to aim at treating each specific cause of the cellulite, whether it's fat deposit, dimples from the fibrous tissue, lymphatic drainage, orange peel appearance. So, for example, we offer a package. We use VelaShape, VelaSmooth to get rid of the fat deposits and also tighten and strengthen the skin. CelluPlulse will further decrease the fat deposits and also get rid of the fibrous band. Use BalancePro to increase the lymphatic vascular drainage, improve the inflammation, and then add topicals if patient want to improve those parameters even at home. So talk to us about it. We offer free consultation. We'd love to talk with you and see what we can offer you. So any questions or concerns, any curiosity, please call our number here for free consultation. If you subscribe to my YouTube video library, you can learn a lot more of different things about beauty and beauty tech as well. Nice talking to you. Take care.